Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of You Know What. So right now we set up the big ass shack and we are on Hoople's Mingle side. We got some clear water for once. We got the aqua view going on down here. It's our nice setup table and all the fun stuff. We got a hunter taking a piss over there, so we can't go on that side of the shack. But yeah, we got the big one up today. So we're gonna go for some perch and some big pike and see if we can get on the aqua view, so stay tuned. I got one coming right on me right now. Oh, he just hit me. Fish on!
Nice.
First fish. Oh, he just let go at the hole. This little guy, but first one of the day. There we go. Second fish of the day. It's tighten up the drag a little and really set that hook on these guys. Nice perch.
Throw one in the bucket if you want.
Show you off to the little camera. Here we go, guys. Nice perch. It's a little dark in here today, but we got the light on. So nice little guy. We're gonna release him. He's still a little small. So, oh my lord.
Oh wow.
Dude, I'm getting all this on video right now. All these perch that are coming in on camera. Oh, dude.
Nice.
There's something that came up on top that was massive. So, okay. Oh, look at that, guys. Fish on over here. Nice perch. Look at that live action. Yeah, another perch. Look at that. Might not be big.
Yo, you got my line for the big minnow on your line.
Hold on. You should want to try to really. Oh, never mind. He's going down on his own. Look at that. He's going back. Big, still marking a lot of fish, guys. This is non-stop action. Of course, he had to swallow it, dude. There we go. Back in you go, buddy. You don't want the minnow head. What's going on? Oh, he's looking at it. Oh, he's gonna nip it. Come on, I want to get my first fish on the camera. Come on. No way.
Wow. I just had a little one fucking smash me. That's cool.
Oh, dude. Wow. I'll take this one. This one looks the bigger one. Come here. He's following me up. I want to keep him lower.
Fuck you guys.
Oh. Got a little fish and I caught him on camera. Oh, he got off though. It's the smallest one ever. Look at the school of fish on me right now, guys. Look at all of them.
Yo, I got a lot on mine too.
Oh. Look at that.
You missed it.
Oh. Oh, he missed it 3 times. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's about to nip it. Got him.
Nice.
First catch with the aqua view, and I still got the minnow head. Oh no, he has an actual minnow still in him. I only used the head, he has the whole body in him, bro. See? Look at that, guys. He ate another minnow. Look at that. No head.
Yeah, there's a school cat.
Got him. Solid one too. Yeah, look at this. We're gonna keep a couple for the table since I've had perch in quite some time. Nice little feather. Yeah. Woo! Now that's probably the...
Just seen that. He just fucking shot right out.
Got him. Flew right into. Aggressive little guys today. Lots of fish on the camera though.
Yeah. Good. That's good though.
Just drilled the whole hobbit for bed and got myself a nice perch. Oh dude, this one's the biggest one of the day. Not even kidding ya. What a freaking monster. Oh my lord, this one's huge. This is what we came here for. Look at this beautiful, beautiful big perch. Yeah, fins out and all. Beautiful fish. Gonna keep this one and the rest we'll probably release because it's got enough for the table. Beautiful fish, look at that. Oh my! Dude, I caught that on that camera. He flew right in. Oh yeah, bro. Of course, it's on. I'm just gonna be cautious because I don't know where he hooked him. I don't know where he.
Keep a little bit of tension and just work.
Just don't know where I hooked him and where the hook is. So, minnow head, full minnow, full baby minnow.
Okay. It's just because he's wrapped up in that line. It's fine. Get his head in. There you go, bud.
Alright, so after untangling all that crap.
Good times?
Yeah, very good times. She ate it pretty badly. Alright, so first one of the day, it smashed. As you guys see on the camera, came flying in for a little tiny minnow. So we're gonna get her back in. You greasy little bastard. Oh. And she just swam.
And gone.
I'd have seen it swim. Try to slid out of my hands. Ooh, that is cold as shit. And slimy.
Thumbs up. Pike gives a thumbs up. Caught me pretty good there. Oh well. Good times.
Yeah, good times. Great times.
I got all the flavors. Fishes think I'm delicious.
Alright guys, it's finished packing up. It's dark out now. It's a little after 5. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the aqua view footage just as much as we did. It's like a video game watching it on that screen, so it was really fun to be able to share that and get some good content for you guys. I just want to give a huge shout out to Relics Outfitters for the minnows for today. They went to good use. They did not last long. The fish ate them all. And thank you guys for being a part of this journey and following and subscribing over the last 2 years. And I hope you guys can stick around for more of the journey. And hopefully you guys consider hitting that thumbs up and that subscribe button. Till then, see you guys next time on the ice. Cheers.